Hello everybody, this is Eric, and got a little video here for you. Some stuff I picked up this weekend at an estate sale. I'll get you turned around here and show you what I got. Alright, hey, it's been a while since I've done a video. I'm gonna try to start doing one a week again. Some different stuff, some restorations, maybe a little shop tour, some toolbox tours, but right now I'm going to do a little rundown of what I got over this weekend at a estate sale. Tell you what I paid for it and so forth. Got these 3 wrench holders. They're Spanger Company, made in the USA. That was one thing I picked up. This set of sockets here, they are metric, 12 points. They're Craftsman from 9mm up to 19mm with some skips in there. But pick them up. I always pick up the old wooden rules when I see them. This one here's a Stanley. I will probably take a little polish and polish the brass up on them and put it with my little collection I have of them. This bigger one says number 1380 Flabbone Chesterman, made in England. So that was a little different. Wasn't your normal Stanley that you find. Patent number 1173229. I don't know if that's an England patent. I'm going to have to dig a little deeper into that. That'll look pretty nice when I polish that up, clean it up. So that was 2 wooden rolls I picked up. A old Craftsman, not in the best shape, 1/4-inch driver. Picked that up. Got a little Craftsman box here. 1/4-inch drive set. Put it all back together. It goes from probably 7/16. Is that right? Yeah, 7/16 down to 7/32. There's 6 points. It's kind of a mixed set. There's some 6 points in there, and then there's some 8 points. Some of the 8 points for the square stuff. Couple extensions. Just a little drive they threw in there, 1/4-inch drive for a drill or an impact driver. Old Craftsman ratchet. I would guess probably 70s, maybe early 70s. And the bar, nice little case. So that will pick that up. Another little box here. It's a Craftsman too. And it is a set of 3/8, 12 points. Thought there was one missing. Yeah, from 3/4 down to about 3/8. Got an extension, couple extensions, T-bar, a little driver. Same kind of ratchet as the other one. 3/8 drive though. At this new old stock, I guess you'd say. Still in the package, Craftsman 4 Torx bits. Make that out. But it's Craftsman 941401 WF. Magnetic USA. Craftsman. Unscrewable back end. And 4 bits in there. Look, they're all torque. So that was kind of a nice find. Put that back in there. Alright. AMT. And I believe this is a threader, like for your or a die for broom handles and so forth. But brand new in the bag there. I just thought it was cool, so I picked it up. Sorry, turning you around. I got a visitor in here. This is Stevie. Hi, Stevie. She was a puppy last time I did a video. She's gonna be a year old the end of the week. Alright, back to, this is the last thing. Diamond alloy Duluth channel locks or slip joint pliers. I don't know. They're big ones. Know how you measure them. 14-inch, 16-inch. So I got those. And then I always kind of look around because my hands get full. And so I always kind of look for something to put the stuff in other than a cardboard box. So I got this little plastic camping stool. And that's what it carried everything up to pay for it in. And so everything I showed you there, $12. That's what I paid for all that this weekend. And so hey, if you like old tools and state sales and so forth, subscribe to the channel would help me out. Ohio Picker. Like and send some people my way. Appreciate it, and we'll see you next week.